Hey site owners! This one's for you. We know how frustrated you are while optimizing your site for every update that Google rolls out. The worst part is that every time you try to catch up with that update, there comes another. It just feels like a never-ending process, isn't it? Guess what? As I'm speaking to you now, another update is all set to launch. Oh yes, they are. And June 22nd is the date. This time, the update is not just about page speed, it's also about page experience. Google wants to ensure a better user experience, and it is known as Core Web Vitals. This update will impact your site ranking, but you need not be overwhelmed by this, as there is always a ray of hope. We are experts in page optimization. Take a look at our score. We can help you achieve this. Get your site tested on https://web.dev and rectify the issues so you will be all set for the update. Should you wish to learn more about what these Core Web Vitals are, visit https://vertina.com/core-web-vitals.